Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a Jammu special Burfi, which is chocolate Burfi. This is a quick and instant Burfi which just takes 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, but it tastes really awesome. This is one of my favorite Burfi. This is so tasty, so yummy that I can easily have 2 to 3 pieces of this Burfi. So friends, you can imagine how good it tastes. We just need few simple ingredients to make this Burfi, the key ingredient being Khoya. So let's see how to prepare it. So firstly we'll heat 1 tablespoon of Desi ghee in a kadai. Into this we'll gradually add 250 grams of grated Khoya. Into this we'll add half a cup of milk, and there goes 125 grams or half a cup of sugar. So we need to break all the lumps and we need to continue stirring it. We are cooking this mixture on low flame. To this we'll add yellow food color and red food color. So we need to continue stirring it till the material thickens up. Now you can see that the mixture has started to leave the sides of the pan. However, it will thicken up further. In between, one can increase the flame on a medium side, but do not cook this mixture on high flame. So friends, you can see that the mixture has thickened up, and now we'll turn off the flame and we'll transfer it. So we have already greased a tray with parchment paper. So we'll transfer the complete material. So we'll sprinkle few melon seeds. We'll gently level it up with the back side of a bowl, and also it will give a nice shine. So friends, now we'll allow it to cool down completely and we'll allow it to rest for at least 5 to 6 hours until the Burfi sets properly. Our Burfi is set properly. It's time to demold it. And now we'll cut the Burfi in desired shape. So friends, just look at this. Our very delicious chocolate Burfi is ready. Wasn't it very simple to prepare? You just need few simple ingredients, the key ingredient being Khoya. It does not require too much effort to make this yummy delicious Burfi. Let me show you a closer look of this Burfi. Just look at this sheen, beautiful color, lovely texture, and it tastes simply awesome. Try it once, believe me, you will really like the taste. It's a very simple Burfi, quick instant Burfi which you can prepare in minutes. Just keep Khoya handy with you and you can prepare this Burfi in simply 10 to 15 minutes. I hope friends you liked watching our today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.